What's going on, YouTube? I am back again, ready to make another video for you guys. This is the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Just did a big unboxing on my YouTube channel. If you guys checked it out, I appreciate it. I'll have the link somewhere here in the cards up above. You guys could check that out. But TCL sent me a big box full of goodies, and I appreciate them for that. So in this video, I want to unbox this phone, the TCL 20 Pro 5G. But before we jump into that, I want to run through the specs real quick. And down in the comment section, if you guys are interested in any particular part of the specifications, or cameras, or speakers, or display, or wireless charging, or SD card, drop it down in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as best I can. But for right now, this is the TCL 20 Pro 5G. The color of this particular is marine blue is the color that TCL sent me. And we do have a nice display on here. Is an AMOLED display. Is a 6.67 AMOLED display, FHD plus. It does have a 3D glass, and processor is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, and the speed type is the Qualcomm Cryo 560 Octa-core processor, 2 times gold, 2.2 gigahertz. Whatever that means, I don't know. The memory in this phone is 256 gigs of RAM, 6 gigs of RAM, and it supports microSD card up to 1 terabyte. So that is awesome. It comes with Android 11 out of the box, and it is set to get 2 full updates of Android. So that is another plus to this phone. So it's guaranteed 2-year updates for this TCL 20 Pro 5G. The rear camera is a 48 megapixel Sony optical image stabilization. Got a 48 back there. You have a 16 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel macro. I'm not really into the macro, and also a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So it's for like depth field. And then we have a flash type dual LED focus. We have autofocus and all that. We have zoom, 2 times lossless, 10 times digital, HDR. Yes, we do have HDR. And it does record in 4K 30, 720, and 1080p 30 and 60 for the video camera. Slow motion also captures it, and this is just the rear camera. And then on the front camera, we do have a 32 megapixel selfie camera with an LCD flash. It also records in 4K 30, 1080p, 720p, 60, and 30. Slow motion also on the front. And for the battery size, we do have a 4,500 milliamp battery on here. We also got the fast charger on there. Charging times, I'm not too sure. I'll probably have to test that up, but it's set to last for pretty long. 4,500 milliamp battery, and the networks for this is the unlocked version. So it'll work. It should work on AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. Got a bunch of bands on there. So if you guys are particular with the bands, we got the LTE bands, we got the 5G bands. I'll read those off. So the 5G bands, we got N2, 5, 7, 41, 66, 71, and 78 5G bands. And then the LTE bands, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14. We got a whole list of LTE. So LTE coverage, you're pretty much covered, and also 5G. And then we also have voice over LTE for AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. Connectivity, when it comes to Wi-Fi, we have Wi-Fi A, B, G, N, and A and C. And also we have the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz. Bluetooth 5.1, so they upgraded the Bluetooth. And when it comes to sound, we have, let me see what if we do. We have microphone dual with noise cancellation, HD voice, and the formats, the regular typical formats. What's interesting about this one is we have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Then it comes with the usual Google apps because it is running Android 11 out of the box. Let me see what else we got here. In the box, we get the quick start guide, product safety, charger, USB Type-C, and a SIM tool. So I'm glad that they include the charger because some companies are just not including it in the box, which kind of sucks. This device right now is $499. I'll have it down in the links in the description down below so you guys can check it out. Amazon link will be down there. You guys can hit that up. It's an affiliate link, so helps out the channel. But this is the box right here. Display greatness. We got it's in gold. So it's a white box with the gold lettering. TCL 20 Pro 5G. And as you can see it's sealed up. It's not opened. So I'm about to do the first initial impressions video. I'm about to open this up for the very first time and get some hands on them. These are my first impressions with it. So let's cut this little band tape right there. This one right there. So the seals are broken. We do have some, the color is marine blue once again. And let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so let me flip this way so you can see. There it is. TCL. Display greatness. Wow, it's a nice weight to it. I like that. There's the TCL display greatness. Got the wrapper there. Put this over to the side just for a quick second, just so we could enjoy what is in this box. So we have, looks like a clear case. I think I see it from the top right there. You can see the clear case. Open that up. So they do include a case, which is pretty awesome. I wish all the companies would do that. We got a clear case. It's not like the best case in the world, but some protection is better than no protection. So we got the clear case there. And real nice case. And then we have quick start guide, the usual papers and stuff, the warranty. And there should be a SIM tool ejection tool in here. Let me see, there it is. There's a SIM tool. So that is the packaging in the box. We got the TCL wall charger, which is USB Type A, obviously to USB Type C. I'm not even gonna open this. And it's jumped right into the phone. So there, that's that. Here it is right here. Display great, oh, look at that blue. Wow. Wow, that blue just comes through the edge of that display. I like that. That blue is nice. Wow, it feels real nice. Nice and cold. The buttons got ridges on it. I guess this is the power button. It's got ridges on it. Here's the back. Look at that shine. I like this blue. This is marine blue. You can see all the cameras there, nice and smooth. They don't stick out. I think this is the flash. So we got a dual LED flash. And you can see there, let me see if I can zoom in. You can see 48 megapixel optical image stabilization. And then you got some other information there. So all four cameras, 1, 2, 3, 4. One camera is sort of used for depth of field. Then you got the TCL down here. This blue is nice. I'm really digging it. It's an elegant phone. I'm not just saying that, but it's an elegant phone. I like what they did here. This separation here. They got like a matte blue on this side, and then we got that shine on this side. I like that. I like the camera array, the way they got the cameras down. So I was kind of wrong about the buttons. This has to be the power button. volume rockers, and this over here, I'm guessing is a designated button for something. My guess, look at that at the top. TCL is still doing it. Look at that at the top. Headphone jack. And what? IR blaster at the top. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with that. Then we got a microphone. I like the color. The color got me. The color real nice. And on the bottom, we have USB Type-C, the SIM tray that houses the SIM card, and also houses the SD card. You put an SD card up to 1 terabyte. Then we got the speaker, and then I guess that's a little microphone. It's a very nice, I like the way the back glass curves over, and it does the same on the front. So you got like a real thin aluminum going across the center of the side of the phone right there. We got a little antenna break, another antenna break, and another antenna break. I like the way it looks from the front. You can see that little blue creeping in. Wow, they did a real good job with designing this phone. This is totally different. I like that. Flat matte blue, and then that shiny blue. This blue, maybe it's indoors. It looks like a dark blue to me because I'm indoors, but maybe I gotta go outside and get a real good look at it. But I'm digging the color, and I'm digging what they did with the camera and this right here. This change between the matte and the glossy, and you could even feel it. Very nice. All right, man, let's power this on, man. I'm excited. I'm guessing that's the power button. Here it is. I felt it vibrate. TCL. Android 11 on deck. We are going to get Android 12, and I'm guessing it said 2-year update, 2 OS updates. So we'll see what happens with that. But check it out. I'm holding it. The screen is black, and we got that blue creeping all the way around the phone. I like that look. That's nice. Shout out to TCL, man. They hooked me up this year. And I'm really digging this phone. I like the way it feels, man. It's got a little, look at that. Bam, look at them cameras. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put all my information in, and this video's already surpassed the 10 minutes, so I don't want to make it too long, but drop down in the comments, what do you want to know about the TCL 20 Pro 5G? I'm going to go ahead and set up my account on here, install all my apps. I don't want to bore you guys with all that, and I will definitely be back with another video. We out.